Hi, my name is Andrew Kinney. I work at Hoglund Law Offices. I'm an attorney there, and I practice Social Security disability law. Today, what I want to talk about is medical expert testimony at Social Security hearings. Social Security has an application process, from application to reconsideration, and ultimately, you need to get denied at those two stages to get to a Social Security hearing with a federal Social Security administrative law judge. When you get to that level, the government can opt to have a medical expert testify that's paid by the government and appear at the hearing. The testimony may or may not be favorable to you, but they are entitled to be in the hearing room while you're giving testimony, and then you can hear what they're testifying about. Now, the question is this: if you're unsure about hiring an attorney at the lower stages, that could be understandable, but at least consider that if you're thinking about hiring a Social Security attorney, consider that a hearing itself has a federal judge who's an attorney, and it generally always has a vocational expert at a hearing, but you may also find that there's a medical expert at the hearing. They would never have met you in person, they would only have reviewed your medical records, and they'll give an opinion about your being disabled or not based on just the medical records and at times some of your testimony. So consider this: there is medical expert testimony at hearings. If you have a chance, you would want to cross-examine that doctor if you disagree with that doctor. Some people can go to hearings on their own. That cross-examination would be up to you. I would argue that at least consider that it'd be better to have someone trained that does cross-examination of experts almost every business day. At Hoglund Law Offices, we're well equipped to help you not only with developing your case and getting approvals perhaps before a hearing, but if you do go to a hearing with a judge, we sit right with you and we listen to the medical expert testimony when that happens, and we cross-examine those medical experts about the objective evidence in your medical file. So if you want some peace of mind, just know that if you hire an attorney, perhaps our office or some other office, but if you hire an attorney, you'll make sure that you have an insurance policy against testimony that just doesn't make sense. So it's important for you to know that if you have further questions about Social Security benefits, what hearings are all about, we spent some time on our website explaining hearings in particular, but we also have a disability library and blogs. Feel free to check out hoglundlaw.com. You can also call our office if you or someone you know might be interested in applying or has an appeal for Social Security disability benefits at 1-800-850-7867. Hopefully this video helps, and please feel free to make good use of all the other materials that we're trying to make available to help you. Thank you.